hello, ça va? Shit. Hello, bonjour, hello, konnichiwa. Today we are breaking some glass, as you can see. I'm being child Mr. Puzzles because, well, he's coming back, but I don't really want to use the actual Mr. Puzzle skin. We're gonna go break some glass. Let's pick up a bat. Now, do not ever trust a child with a bat, okay? Especially a child who is also a teenager in real life, because then things like this happen. Oh, wait, I need to turn the world up. The world volume. I'll turn it to about halfway so it doesn't damage your ears. Let me get this back again. You want me to break some more glass? Oh, I'll break some more glass. What? Oh, come on. Alright, ready? Damn, bro. Yeah, don't ever trust me with a bat. Okay? No, I don't want to reach for that. I want to reach for that. Right. Just a little of the fun. I use this as like sort of like my rage room. Yeah. Okay. You ready? I don't think you can even reset this room. I thought. Whoops. I will pull a trigger warning. Breaking glass, because that's basically the whole point of this video. Wait. If I bring that down here. Oh no! No, I'm not gonna bring that. I'm not. Shh. I'm not gonna bring that up. Want me? Wait. Ready? Hold on. So, look at this glass, right? This glass. Want me? So, no bat to prove it. I kind of keep forgetting that you can see me literally looking at the back because I've just got my camera up just so you can see what avatar I am. Oh, whoa. Okay there, buddy. How am I not caught yet? It's okay, I can get that last bit. Yeah. Oh. I think we're flying. Okay. The joys of having a VR. The joys. Some people call VrChat boring until you find maps like this. And then you find... Oh, it's a bit laggy. Oh damn. Yeah, I gotta get away from that bit. Until you realise you've got the ability to break glass. Just think like your enemies behind all this glass, aren't they? Don't worry. I got you. Why do I be Mr. Puzzle's like Mr. Puzzle child version and breaking glass? Like, I don't think this is very safe. Oh well, I guess this can either be an ASMR video or very traumatic. Nah. I'm gonna put a trigger warning, don't worry. I'm not that mean. Oh look, it's a nice fancy restaurant. Oops! Oopsies! Wait, there's glass bottles. Wait, can I break these? Bro, my bat just broke for a sec. I love breaking glass. I'm definitely breaking over some glass on that. But that'll be for another video. Okay. Ready? I'm gonna do a home run on this thing. Right. Can't really... Bro! Is this quicksand? Oh. Oh! I did not mean to break that window. Can I like grab these? Oh my god, yes I can. Damn, bro. Okay. Let's get these all lined up. Okay, move that. Go into the quicksand chairs. It's okay, I can get more. Okay, oh, crap. Just line them up. Grab, bro! Bro! Oh my days. Right, grab the bat. Line it. Make sure I can actually hit it. Oh my god. Put you over there. Satisfying. Okay. Just gonna. It balanced! My bat! The amount of times I have to crouch down. Oh, well, that part didn't, did it? Hit it a bit. Come on. Hit it a bit. What? Also, the glass can break glass. Oh, you're lucky there's more glass bottles in here, else I would have gone berserk. Stay calm and collected, Moon. You don't want to have another breakdown again. If only you could break it with your fish out. Bah! I'd just go, bah! You know? I'd just go, bah, bah. Body angle. What is this? It shoots balls. Bingo! Bingo. Wait, can I get like... Oh no, wait. Oh! Oh yes! Wait, is there another one? There's another one, there's another one, there's a... Oh my god, I almost tried this one. There's another one. Right. I think I'm holding these the wrong way, but who cares? Oh no, I'm not. Oh, the red ones throw out glass. Funny. Look, I look like, you know, Mr. Weapons, but like color coded. Or like one of Karen's kids. Now I've got weapons. Ah! Jeez! Oh, I only have to like send one. Go on! My minions! Oh, that is so laggy. We are never, ever doing that again. I mean, at least we broke like half the building, but for a separate video, I will come back and I will break every single one of those glass. One by one. I don't care. He just keeps getting better and better. Bro! Want me? Ooh, there's a big, like, ball thing. Wait. I gotta make sure I don't hit anything, because my room is, like, fairly small, and I've got my fan, like, literally right next to me. Wasn't me! The fact that you could just hear it, but like, what is this? Is this the reset button? Oh, it's a mirror. Sup. Right, I'm gonna take my camera off, because you know what character I am now, surely. If you don't, I'm Mr. Puzzles, but child version. I got given it to me by someone. Anyways, beep, beep, beep. We'll keep that mirror up. Wait, can we break the glass? Nah, I don't think we'll be able to. We're gonna go bowling today. Right, we're gonna go bowling. That's the most weakest bowl ever. Bro! You know what? I'm gonna break the rules of bowling here. That was the most satisfying thing I've ever done. All of it broke! Come here. You, no. part of me now. What does this do? Oh, we are going bowling. Oh, it knocked it. No. No. What the? I'm going through walls now. You must be crazy. No, it wasn't satisfying. My day's ruined. What is this? I will play this with next someday. Die! I'm breaking all of Mom's vases. Whee! Oh, oh. That ball is still rolling. They see me roll. Bye. It's still going. It's still going. Yep, that thing's gone. There's no way of getting that thing back. Oh my god, let me pick up the damn bat. Oh, it's reached the end of the map, I think. Whoopsies. Oh, whoopsie doodles! What's this? Just make your way into it, you greedy! What's this? Want me? Oh, don't spawn too much. How are you meant to get in here? Oh, I know. Perfect. There was it! There was an entrance all this time, wasn't there? Yep. Oh, that's laggy. I got a baby, that's laggy. Wait, what is this over here? And might as well take my bat with me just in case if it's another glass thing. Duh. Stupid moan. Crystal moon. No, but I'm gone. Oh, the ball has fallen into somewhere. What is this? Ooh, I'm gonna be red. What is this? Oh, it's like spleef. Oh, it's glass spleef. Oh, I'm definitely playing this one next. Oh, you're going down. How many layers are there? Ah! Whee! What the hell? Oh, it just respawned you. What? Hi. What is a glass ball doing here? Can I pick this up? No, I can't. Well, time to destroy it. Bro, that glass ball is invincible for a second. Like, oh my day. I don't know how to make the sound, I'm sorry. This is going to be like a really long video of me just smashing glass. Like, I have homework to be getting on with, but instead I'm on a stupid game. Well, it's not really that stupid, but oh my god, it's because my bed's in the way. The amount of bats I'm about to go through. Ah, my creation! Oh my god, I just realised what like that one. Oh no. Nah. Why is there nothing there? Like, oh. Oh, come on. Wait. Why do I keep doing that? Should I make a part 2 to this video? Please say if I should make a part 2 to this video. I mean, I am already kind of, aren't I? Don't. All in a day's work. I'm gonna leave that there. Right, I was in this map before. There's some bricks in here. Bricks. We all love the bricks. I'm going insane. Sorry. I'm lagging. I should probably wait until like all the glass is like gone. Wait, can you still see me? You can still see me, kind of. Oh my day. Right. I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run. I'm going to run to my problem. Hi. Just runs back. That should be like a short thing. Where I run towards the mirror, I say hi, and then I just run back. I'm gonna make that as a short and edit it. Anything behind you? No. Anyways. I'm sweating. How long have I been recording for? Probably about 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna... Right. The part 2 will be breaking every single one of them glasses, one by one. That's gonna take an hour. If you want a part 3... Part 3... Actually, no, I can just do that. Part 3... That's 2. Part 3... I will make it, okay? Where I just break every single glass. Yeah, you heard me right. Every single glass. Anyways, I'm gonna go now because I am sweating. Bye! And I just hit my light. Let's try that again. Bye! Oh, come on. Bye.